Salam shikorinata, salam temelaskum. You guys, welcome. Today's gonna be Tigrinya and English mix. I'm super excited to share with you guys a few things that you can use to change your look. It's of course about hair. This hat mess is gonna be changing soon. This is all my hair. I just have it out in afro. It has been combed, that's all. Anyways, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and welcome back to all my subscribers. سلام سلام تملسكم كلكم ناتي سبسكرايب تقبروا حدش تخان سلام تملسكم سلام متساهم ناتي channel أي ترسلهم سبسكرايب تقبروا لو معتي نايج أغري أمسيل كنا له كمي كنا هنكيرو. So get ready, let's get into it. Alright you guys, so today I thought I should share with you guys to do a big braid, like a goddess braid, to change your look. So I'm gonna do two things, one in a ponytail and one in like sort of like an updo. Holidays are coming and so you want to be able to just quickly change your hairstyle. Even though the salons are halfway open, you can still do some stuff at home. You only need like braid hair like this. And I have Zuri. You can use any hair braids really. I just found this in my house, so there is no particular hair as long as it's just braiding hair. Salam. So shukoriнаtat hijna maatim siyan kana lo khuzaj agriu nay ponytail and abdu style karekini qaltifa الملكحات غير ونا ودامت سلدلو holiday متسيس لزخونه كميجر كن كيرو hopefully تفتوات خونه ጨጉሪ ናይ መቆነኒ ከምዚያ ጥራሓት ለና ሓንቲ ማለትዩ ኣነ ንፀይሮ ማዓልቲ ዙሪ ዝበሃል ኣብ ገዛ ስለ ጽነሐ but ዝኾነ ነገር ናይ ጨጉሪ it doesn't have to be እዚኣ ናይ መቆነኒት ማለት ናይ ጀብጀብ መቆነኒት የድለና ማለት ነው ሕጂ ኸሪአክን. So it's like this, it comes like this, okay? So I'm gonna fix this hair, put it up in a ponytail, and so I'll show you guys what it looks like, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pull the end of the hair. Actually, first I'm gonna divide it. Like that. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in the middle, but I wanna make sure one is long and the other one is also long. So I'm gonna hold in the middle. So that way it gives me length. The reason I'm doing this way is that to give me more length in the hair. So you can always also, if you have a table, you can put it down like that. And I usually just pull it apart. You want to see. It's just to give you at the end when you braid it, to give you that natural look. So I just pull the hair apart like that. And pull together your bukhlti and malatyu. Like comes in natural like that. So, and usually I pick it up and kind of look at it again and smooth the hair. It's chogri al ilk ra'yo. It's almost tafatikhyo. I fatikhyo ta medis khani ta'riyo malatyu. You just keep getting it until the length that you want is there for you. All right. Okay, so then I'm gonna divide this again, take this out. All right, so I got my hair ready like that. Touch ogri, like this, basically. And next, you just need a little hair tie like that. And you're gonna put it in the middle. And can you guys see? So you're just gonna tie it in the middle like that, basically. Just like that, make sure it's how you want it. All right, so this is ready. And you're gonna need bobby pin too, right? So I'm gonna get the mirror ready so I can put this hair up in a ponytail. I'm gonna use my Eco Gel. You can use any gel that you have at home. Doesn't really matter. So I'm just gonna put that. Really, there's no right or wrong way of putting a gel on. You just want the end result to be good, right? So put it up. Since my hair is super dry, I might have to do a lot of, I might have to wet my hair. So I'm gonna use this for now, put it up, so I get my natural hair in the place that I want it. So obviously this is the عبي تجعجري كم زي أجر نزي ناتي natural تجعجري كم زي أجر يالله زد ليكم جل نات كن دلخن أخذ قبل أدخل آخن قاليو خات صبوا تجعجر خن تخيني ما يتراح بزيت أخذ قبل أدخل آخن نزناك أدميتكن قد أبيلو دحزلكن مالتيو أنا كن جل قبل اللحو ناتي تجعجري مالت ناتي نايك أدميتي. So you're just gonna keep doing this. I don't like, not that I don't like, I'm not really big on baby hair, so I don't use baby hair out, but you can sometimes. I think I've done it in the past, but I just like clean look. All right, guys, so keep brushing it so you get the look that you want. And I'm just gonna put my hair in braids to kind of help me like have that little ponytail. So this part does not have to be perfect, but you just try to basically you're trying to have your own hair be smaller so that you can have the braid. Okay, so put braids up like that. نزي جبري قلنا له إتيا من تنشتك تكون اللين إتي braid قبل له مالتي. Okay, so I'm just gonna braid it. كم ذي أجيرة قلنا له. Okay, you can see. Okay. Okay, good. Now I can see. Okay, hair's up. I need more gel. More gel. So let's see. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna twist and make a little bun for my hair. Just my natural hair. So ፀጉሬ ናቴ ክትጠውያ እየ ከምዚ ገይረ ንእሽተይ ባን ገብራላ እየ ማለት እዩ. Okay, and you just make actually all right, I'm gonna add another rubber band or hair tie like that. Put it like this. Okay, almost done. قريب ناينا. And so then next, this is gonna go here. Right? When you braid the hair, don't make it super tight. You want to make it be cut, not too soft, not too tight. So that way you can have like that big braid look. I don't know if I'm making any sense, but you'll see what I mean. قلنا خلها نايته تروح إخن مخنياتو كم زي natural into soft braid كونلنا. To style مالتي. Okay, so keep braiding till the end. قلنا ناسق عم تقرشها. All right, guys, so one look you could do is like a side long ponytail, but I'm gonna dip the end of the hair to kind of make it look more natural in a like hot water. So I'm gonna make this, tie it like this and dip it. You can also just do it straight too, the way it is. You just dip the end. It seals the hair so it's not like, you know, the braids are coming off. So it helps seals the hair once you put it in hot water. So my cutaway of how my cutaway وكمزيا side ponytail كتقبرات خلاخن وإزيام ناي مجرش هذا أب ماي وعي كتواتي زفتح زلو كي تطوق بالمنتي كم زجيرك خمان تقللي إتي أنا مجرشة كم زناي ما تقللت سبايروك تمثل كم عينة الليكن كتقامات خلاخن مالتي. So what I'm gonna do is just trim the hair around it to get rid of the frizz. Anyways, scissor. This is what I have. But you can use any scissor. بسcissor get قرص نتي جوغري لعل زوات زلو. Not a lot, but just a little bit to kind of give it clean cone. It's جوغري مالتيو. I'm gonna cut it like that. Sometimes you could just dip the water in like the hair, but this is kind of like hard to do. Be careful, don't cut the braids. It's just very simple, easy for changing your look for anything, not just holiday, but you can use this as an everyday look, you know. You can put this ponytail on the back, you can bring it like this, all around it. All right, you guys, so I have my hot water boiling. My له towel, dry مقبري. So anything or any cup you could put it. I'm gonna use this little bowl and I dump the hot water in here. Okay. Sorry. All right, so look how it's coming apart. I'm gonna braid it again to the end. Make sure that the hair is gonna be braided when I put it in a hot water. متقرشاس اتي braid cook on in emelise because let's what's it, okay? So I'm gonna put this little rubber band spiral thing to help, you know, get like the end of the hair to stay in place. I'm gonna put that like this, and I'm just gonna dip this in hot water like that. A few seconds, leave it in there. You can even go like more if you want, like the hair, the actual hair. If you want it more cleaner, you could do that like this. But be careful, don't burn your hair. Don't burn your face, okay? So you're gonna bring the towel. Kamzi girkin, getskin kaitandida. Towel ka, kamzi agirki. Tahziya malati, khafti am mind out akhi. Keep bringing it and then just like that, gentle, okay? Squeeze the water out. Should be just fine. Like that. Just helps to relax the hair. That's all. Relax to make it look more natural. Okay, you can leave this in for a minute if you want, or you could just take it out right away. See, it just gives you a little tiny curl. All right, so next, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna place bobby pin around here and then push it inside, okay, to help secure the hair. And you're gonna do that until you create the look that you want. كم زي عندها جبركن وشتي إتي أتدليكن أراء ياريد بهال ملكة سقعت رخبة مالتيو كم زي عندها جبركن بباب بين دا تخي إتي أجبر create جبريا مالتيو. Okay, so keep doing that, and then I'm gonna come here. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. the ponytailed look, basically just braid up in your hair. And this is also good for your natural hair to be in protective style. So, you know, give it a break. If you're like me, I always have my hair up in a ponytail, it gets dry, and leave it for a few days. But this will be a great way to kind of change your look and also to just give your hair a break too. So, I hope you guys like this, and this is what it looks like. You can always add accessory if you know, you could put like things like this, or if you have a band, you can also put it like, you know, sparkly stuff all around it, and you can put it this here, something like that. I think, let's see. Yeah, I think this will be good like this. Yeah, see? Like that. There you go. So you could just be creative. You can accessorize it and, you know, change your look. And it's really simple and easy. This is just what I had for my wedding, leftover. And so yeah, bobby pin hair, and it's just quick way of changing your look. I hope فتيخنا أتخونا زيا ناي جوجم سأل كنزل خلا معتي ponytail كتكون تخيلها ناي جدن كم زي كونس كتكيايرو تخيلي خمالتي different style, different ways of, you know, keeping your hair. إتجوجرخ natural خماني break هواي نتي عرفت خواني كم زجر كهات كيرو هلا خمالتي. Anyways, I hope فتيخنا أتخونا. This is the look of the day with jumbo braid. Okay, كم زي أجرنا ودينا لنا. So I'm done. All right, guys, so I'm all done. I hope you love this look, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to give it thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. So I will see you guys in the next video. شكرا تات بدعميرة مسكنكن كل جزية تحجزاني. I hope فتيخنا أتخونا زا فيديو زيا. and فتيخنا don't forget thumbs up هبقى. نتابل كاني وقعوا every time notification كما تقوم انتي كي حالفكن فيديو كما تخلقوا. سلازي أبحجيكين ودي له حدش تخونكن subscribe ورا أيترسع أخن. Till next time. Ciao you guys.